Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how Rocket Money makes money. But before we dive into that, let's take a step back and think about the problems that Rocket Money is trying to solve. Have you ever been frustrated by the fact that you're paying for subscriptions that you don't even use? Or maybe you've been overcharged for your cable or internet bill. If so, then Rocket Money is the perfect solution for you. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money by identifying and canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating lower bills, and finding overdraft and late fee refunds. So, how does Rocket Money make money? Well, there are a few different ways. First, Rocket Money charges a monthly subscription fee. This fee varies depending on the plan you choose, but it's typically around $5 per month. Second, Rocket Money makes money by charging a success fee when they help you cancel a subscription or negotiate a lower bill. This fee is typically a percentage of the savings that you achieve. Finally, Rocket Money makes money by partnering with other companies. For example, Rocket Money may partner with a credit card company to offer a co-branded credit card. Or they may partner with a bank to offer a special savings account. So, is Rocket Money worth it? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances. If you're someone who has a lot of unused subscriptions or who is overpaying for their bills, then Rocket Money can definitely save you money. However, if you're already very good at managing your finances, then Rocket Money may not be worth the cost. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Rocket Money is up to you. But if you're looking for a way to save money, it's definitely worth considering. So, there you have it. That's how Rocket Money makes money. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, be sure to check out their website. 1. Cefsagid.hashnode.dev. Cefsagid.hashnode.dev. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.